Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share our new Full Focus Journal with you. With the new Full Focus Journal, we've revamped the entire journaling experience. You still have the 8 daily questions to provide you a quick and easy runway for journaling, but we've also added several features to improve your reflection, clarity, and self-awareness. I'm going to walk you through it. One thing we've added is the personal check-in section in the front. This section allows you to connect with yourself and prime your thinking to fully engage on a daily basis. The series of questions here will clarify your expectations for the next 90 days. It's best to start here before starting your daily practice. Just like the Full Focus Planner, we give you space to record your goals. We put it here so you can easily access your goals while journaling and process the ups and downs of achievement. Each page of the journal comes with 8 questions to help guide you. There's even a 9th bonus question at the bottom here that changes with each day. This will give you some variety in the prompts. As you can see here, you have plenty of space to write. Also, you can pick and choose which questions you answer. You don't have to answer all 9 questions if you don't want to. These pages are meant to work with what you need. By using these daily questions, you can make journaling easy. At the end of each month, we incorporate a reflection. This allows you to look back and extract your greatest lessons, gratitudes, and wins. It'll also prime you for positivity and action in the month ahead. Finally, at the end of the journal is an experience tracker. This section is built to help you remember the positive experiences you've had in the past quarter. Here, you can record restaurants you've tried, places you've gone, books you've read, and more. Keep it all handy here so you can remember all the positive experiences that shaped your quarter. That's the Full Focus Journal. Get the most out of the journal with our simple 1-2-3 process. You simply connect to yourself, process your days, and reflect each month. This process makes journaling fast, simple, and engaging. If you want to use this with the planner, it's even easier. You can track your journaling habit using the streak tracker. And as you review your goals each day in the planner, you can use your journal to process your feelings about those goals. You can track your journaling habit using the streak tracker. And as you review, you can get your journal today at fullfocusjournal.com.